Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you get a space in your Roblox display name on mobile, then I have good news for you, because Roblox has been recently allowing adding spaces to your name, and today in this video I'll show you how can you do it very easily and very clearly. So follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Let's quit from here because we cannot do it from the app, and let's open our browser. Simply from here, as you can see, go to roblox.com, the website right here, and then let's go ahead and go to continue in browser at the bottom, because this method only works here. Just tap on continue in browser, and from here, if you haven't logged in already, just log into your Roblox account. Wait for the website to fully load up. To start with, tap here in the top right corner on the three lines or the three dots that should be right there to enable the desktop site or the desktop version of this website right here, guys. And here we go. Once it loads up, it's gonna be a little bit zoomed out, as you can see. So we need to kind of zoom in a little bit for us to work out this method properly, and then tap here in the top right corner on the gear icon, because we need to go to settings. So after you tap there, just tap again on settings, of course, as I said, to open the settings. Wait for the settings to load up, and once they do, right next to the display name at the top, go to the right side of the screen and tap on this pencil. That should be the first one right here. And right here we need to go ahead and add the space we have talked about, and currently we can only add one space. But once I do that, as you can see, it says that I cannot add spaces because this update haven't reached my account yet. So what you need to do is to wait for this update or new patch basically to reach your account, and you can finally add spaces to your name. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.